Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In this tutorial I will be showing you how to do the back loop double crochet. This is very fun stitch that you can use to make this beautiful little ripple effect, or if you're using it for amigurumi patterns, it might help you give it just a little bit more depth. So let's go ahead and get started. You want to wrap your yarn around your finger and pull through, and that gives you a nice little slip knot. So chain any number that you like. For this tutorial I'm just going to do 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then we'll chain one extra for our chain up, for our stitch up. So go ahead and double crochet in every stitch back, making sure you go in the second chain from the hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, and lucky number 10. So then go ahead and turn your work and chain 1. And since we're doing the back loop double crochet, normally when you crochet you'll end up going through both loops like so. But in this case, we're going to end up going into the back loop. So where you end up seeing this beautiful little V, we're going to want to go into this stitch right here. So back loop and double crochet, insert your hook straight down into the middle of the V and through the back. Like so. Do it again. In the V, pop through the back and double crochet. Pop through the back, double crochet, and all the way to the end. If I can get it, there we go. And that is how you do a back loop double crochet. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, and if you feel so inclined, please subscribe to my channel where I will upload new crochet videos once a week. Have a happy crochet day.